keep on learning irrespective of age, gender, and economy. Nahi Gnanena Sadrusham, that is our tagline for our logo. So, knowledge is vast and it cannot be completely studied in our lifetime. Hello friends, my name is Radhika. I am an education consultant from Bangalore. It is a great pleasure for me to connect you people through Sailika. I am an education consultant. Today I am introducing myself and about my work. Thank you and thanks to Sailika. Be good, do good. If we work sincerely without any expectation, definitely we will get result in one or another forum in one or another day. It will be like energy only, like energy which can be converted from one forum to another forum. We will get result for our hard work or smart work. So my favorite dialogue or quote is Karmanyevadhikaraste ma phareshu kadachana from Bhagavad Gita. So it is my inspiring dialogue also. Thank you. As I told, I am an education consultant. I have been working under the name of a trust called Brahmi Academic Trust, which had been registered on 2016 November 15th only. So my official Facebook page name is Mojo Situventures. I have done BSc Industrial Chemistry, MSc Industrial Chemistry and MPhil project on kinetics of drugs based amino acids. I worked as a chemistry faculty in 11th and 12th classes, BSc degree student. Initially I struggled hard. I faced difficult situations. Nobody was taking me seriously, including our family members, relatives and friends. But I took all these as challenges. I worked smartly. I took positive appreciations, positive thoughts from everyone, and I achieved something which I can tell to any other lady, especially girl student, so that she can also achieve the same in same field or any other field. Definitely Facebook gave me a best exposure. Stages, everybody wanted my service free of cost, but later I started my achievements through my satisfaction. 2017, one of my students scored more marks in 10th board exams, state level board exams, and he went to USA for higher studies. So his feedback gave me a lot of encouragement. Later in 2019, I got best after school activity module award from INTA Mysore. These are the two milestones which I want to reveal to everyone, because we know our depth, our working style and our capacity. But if one or two words or one or two positive feedback from outsiders will come, no, it will be greatly helpful for us. If I was not in education sector, I might have been in a pharmaceutical industry like Biocon or Cipla in R&D department or quality control department, and or I might have started my own plant extraction unit. The best thing my business, actually I don't consider education as a business, it is a service sector. So the best thing is, if I see my students, my parents in a good position, happily studying mood, I will be thankful for them also, and I will be thankful for God also. Especially if girl students, because I don't have a girl kid, baby girl kid. So if I see any girl student of mine in a good position, highly educated or in a high position in her profession, I will be satisfied and I will have a great pleasure. That is the main best thing in my life. I take up tuitions up to 10th standard students and for all subjects, and for 12th and 11th students I take up chemistry tuition, and I conduct seminars, workshops on chemistry and Kannada and some basic level mathematics to high school students. Even for teachers also I will conduct seminars and workshops. and I do career counseling for 10th and 12th standard students. So even I am coordinating and anchoring some education based programs on local Kannada channels like Basava TV satellite channel, Sambrama TV and Surabhi Infotainment. So I am active and I want to share my knowledge in chemistry and Kannada and all other subjects. Whatever I know, I want to share this to public. I will keep quiet or I will remain silent whenever I feel stressed. I will read a book or I will watch my mobile, any previous videos or photos, and I will simply meditate for 5 to 10 minutes. If I get stressed, I will do all these things. And now I will be writing some books like on mathematics like Jolly Maths, Fun to Learn Concept, and English handwriting, Vedic Maths worksheets, EVS worksheets, and based on Kannada, I am doing one Aksharamala and one Kannada kit. Later, I am planning to write or to do a project on preparation of mathematics kit, basic maths kit, science kit, and science projects classes. To other entrepreneurs is to work sincerely, to work honestly. They should not do hard work. There is no need of hard work. There is a need of smart work. So please respect time, save nature, save paper, and keep on learning. Keep on updating with the current trends, whatever it may be, either technical education or any in your profession, any training is there. Please keep on updating. And my sincere request to parents or audience is that keep on learning irrespective of age, gender and economy. Nahi gnanena sadrisham, that is our tagline for our logo. So knowledge is vast and it cannot be completely studied in our lifetime. So please keep on learning. Students can buy worksheets from us, books from us, and even parents, housewives and teachers can take a franchisee of my teachings like Vedic Maths classes, handwriting classes and language Kannada classes. They can take franchisee. We will be helping starting from training, registration to marketing, and I will expose them to media also. Finally, I want to thank all my audience, video viewers, to sparing their time with me, their precious time with me. They are sparing this precious time. And for Soil Cup team also, I am very thankful and grateful. Have a good day. Thank you Soil Cup, thank you Facebook, and thank you for all other audience.